Have you ever had the problem of your toilet seat coming loose with use? You try as you might to push the seat back into place or tighten up the nuts on your toilet seat and it still comes loose. This is a very common problem with most toilet seats, and at Croydex we don't think this is acceptable. To resolve this problem, we have pioneered a new system to ensure that your toilet seat fits tight, so you can sit tight. First of all, thoroughly clean and dry the surface of the toilet pan where the hinge is to be fitted. As a useful tip, stretch a piece of cling film over the rim of the toilet to cover the bowl. This prevents dropping parts into the toilet whilst fitting the sit-tight hinge system. Once the toilet is prepared, installation can begin. Screw a threaded stud into the centre hole of the hinge plate and fully tighten using a pair of pliers. Using the hex head key supplied, tighten the screw on the hinge plate so it can still be rotated, but is tight enough to retain its position. Push the stud collar onto the centre hole of the grip gasket. The collars prevent excess glue spreading onto the threaded studs. Slide the grip gasket over each stud and locate onto the hinge plate. Place the templates over the fixing holes. Stick in place and mark the position of the hinges on the templates. Remove the toilet seat and tighten the hinges. Next, take one grip gasket, apply the adhesive to the underside, position in place and push down firmly. Repeat this step for the remaining grip gasket. Then remove the templates. Take the lock rings, peel off the backing and place over the grip gaskets, pressing firmly down to allow the tape to stick and the lock rings to clip onto the grip gaskets. Put the toilet seat back on the pan, making sure everything is in the correct position. Then washers and nut onto the stud and fully tighten the nuts with the key provided. Your Croydex Sit Tight toilet seat is now ready to use.